My name's Mike DeRoos, and I'm the master skeleton articulator that worked on the blue whale project here at the Beaty Museum. We're here today because it's been 5 years since the blue whale skeleton was installed at the museum, and quite a bit of dust has accumulated on top, so we're giving her a really good cleaning and also checking to make sure that everything is holding up well. We've also noticed some really small cracks that have showed up in a few areas of the jaw bones that were repaired when we put the whale together. And so we're going to be assessing those and seeing how much repair needs to happen. And then once we have that done, we'll get out our tools and filling material and repair that cosmetic damage. And then in the end, paint it all so that she looks brand new again. Whale skeletons are just such interesting pieces. They were once living animals, and whoever gets the chance to be this close to a whale, and so even though it's just the bones, you really you're presented with something that's huge and majestic. And this blue whale is really an iconic feature here at UBC. She's going to be here for a long time, and we want to make sure that everyone that comes to see her sees her in her best condition. So that's really why we're here today, and we're excited to get the process underway.